welcome back. So today I want to talk to you about my different streams of income. Now I think maybe about, I think it was about August, September time last year, and I was thinking, oh no, my maternity leave in the new year is going to be over and I'm going to have to go to work. And I was thinking, like, how can I basically make best use of my time? So in fact, during my maternity leave, I started this YouTube channel and I started really researching, like, how could I create a life for myself without having to go and do that 9-to-5 job. Now, I am still currently doing a full-time job, so I don't want anything to say that I'm not doing that, but I am currently building up my other revenue streams. So today I wanted to talk to you about the different streams of income that I am currently working on, and hopefully one or two of these might speak to you. If there are any that particularly jump out to you and you want a little bit more information, then please do let me know. So first up, we'll just get it out of the way. I work full-time, so I do have a salary coming in, and currently with my other streams of income, I could not give up this salary, but I'm certainly working my way towards it. Next up, a little bit more interesting, I have got my KDP business. So this has been going from strength to strength, and so many people out there are like, oh, I can't get any sales, da 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 da. And maybe I was quite a rare case, but I did actually manage to make a few sales in my first month. And these sales have been pretty consistent and they are still growing. The more and more books that I'm putting out there, the more compounded this is becoming. And it is, for me, it's really working. So I would really recommend KDP, but you do need to get into the nitty gritty of it because you do need to stand out from other people. Next up, we have my Etsy store. Now, the Etsy store that I show you on YouTube is not my actual Etsy store. It's kind of like a dummy one. So I create different products for that store. Very early on, I realized that when I was creating designs, those designs were very quickly just being duplicated. So now I create different things that I wouldn't necessarily put in my store. My store is very much a niche and I stick to that niche. And so, yeah, that's kind of where I'm going with that one. So that's Etsy, but I've also recently created a shop, an online store, which also ties into the Etsy. So for example, Etsy have just emailed out and they've said that the selling fees are going up to, I think it was like 0.32 cents or something rather than 20 cents. So per listing. So, you know, they are taking bits and pieces out of this. If you're interested in how to create your own online store, I have actually managed to do mine almost for free. I have paid for my domain names, although you can get around not doing that. So, but it cost me like a tenner for a year. So for me, that was well worth it, and it's mine and it sounds good. So if you're interested in seeing me create an online store, leave me a comment down in the description below. So this store is currently generating a small amount of revenue each month. I have created, you know, the Facebook posts, the Instagram, and I'm now working on getting some of my products over onto TikTok so that I can kind of build it all up. I am continuing down the print on demand route. I haven't gone into drop shipping. To be honest, I'm not entirely certain that drop shipping is for me. I don't really love the idea of so many things being flown in from China. For me, it's really important that I remain authentic and true to myself. And for me, the environmental aspect of a lot of these businesses doesn't really speak to me. I would much rather, there's something I quite like about the print on demand. Like, yes, you are still shipping single jumpers, like I get that, but there is no wastage in terms of product because you're creating it as you go. So I haven't got a wardrobe or a room filled with boxes of stock that might never sell. So for me, I really like that. So next up we have affiliate marketing, and so far this has been one of my biggest incomes, and that is by when I create these YouTube videos, I put links in the description below, and some of you lovely people kindly click that link and purchase products that I am recommending to you. And I absolutely promise I will never recommend products that I do not use. So it costs you nothing extra to click those links, but every time you do, I get a small commission. And not only this, I also use Pinterest in order to promote products and things like that, particularly for my Etsy affiliate business. And that has proved really great, really lucrative. So basically, I'm not even necessarily promoting all my own stuff on Etsy, but anytime someone goes onto Pinterest, clicks the link and they go and buy it, they can go and buy it directly from my pin. And it is just a really great way to share products that you really do believe in. Again, I am only talking, I'm not kind of just going through Etsy and going, yeah. I'm still being quite specific in what it is that I'm talking about. And again, if you want me, this is like a huge thing. If you want me to show you how you can create your own Pinterest account and pin boards so you can too start affiliate marketing, just put me a comment in the description saying Pinterest, and I'll absolutely create a full tutorial for you on this, because it takes a little bit of a while for it all to get going. But as you start to build up your pages, people then start to see them a lot more. And it really then does make all the difference. And I have been using Pinterest since I was maybe, I don't know, maybe 18, 19, a long time. And if you're into kind of like crafts, lifestyle, all those kind of things, there are pin pages for everything. So it's so good. And then finally, the big announcement is that I have finally, I say finally, it's not even been that long, it's actually been less than 6 months, and thanks to all you lovely people, I have just added a new revenue stream. I am now monetized on YouTube, so I am now getting paid for ads. So I am super excited about this. I had it in my head when I first started this YouTube channel that it would maybe take around about a year, as that kind of seemed average. So to do this in 6 months, I am like super excited. And yeah, all I can do is really thank you guys, because you are the ones who have been watching my content, if you've been sharing it, if you have been telling your friends, family about it, and please continue to do so. Every time you put a comment on one of my posts, whether it's a question or some encouragement, like, it makes a difference to me as a creator. So I really do appreciate you guys. Now, if you are interested, and I wouldn't want to do it in a boasty braggy way, which is why I kind of haven't included any of my figures, but if you are interested in how much I'm earning from these different revenue streams, just leave me a comment down below saying revenue. If it's on a particular type, leave that as well. So for example, if you want to know YouTube revenue, at the moment I'm not 1 month in, so I can't post anything about that, but please let me know. Thank you so much to getting me here to the monetized status. I literally cannot believe it. I'm telling everyone that I know at the moment to create a YouTube channel. If you'd like to know a little bit more about my behind the scenes, like equipment and stuff that I'm using, let me know as well. Cannot wait to see you all next time. See you soon. Bye.